Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to fix ntdll.dll crash error in Windows. Let's get started. Go to the search bar and in the search bar write cmd or command prompt. Click on Run as Administrator. A window will pop up. You need to click on Yes. So after that, this window will appear over here. You need to write one command, that is sfc /scan now, and then click on enter. So basically this process will take some time until it's been completed 100%. You can go to your search bar again, and after that you can search here for check for updates. Click on open here. After that, a window will come. You need to make sure that your Windows is up to date. You can click on this blue button, that is check for Windows. Since you can see mine Windows is up to date. After that, what you can do, again go to the search bar and search for Device Manager. Click on open. In this window, what you need to do, you need to expand display adapters over here. And the graphic card which you have, right click on that and then click on update drivers. Search automatically for drivers. Just make sure that the best drivers is been installed into your laptop or PC. So after this, you need to again go to the command prompt. Once the 100% verification is completed, you need to write another command here, that is dism.exe /online /cleanup -image /restore health, and then click on enter. Here the deployment will start over here. Make sure it's completed 100%. After that, you can just try to restart your laptop or PC once, and this will solve the error. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.